Hello, welcome to Kannada Madhyama Shale YouTube channel. Today we have discussed about fraction and its type. First we have to study about meaning of the fraction. What are fractions? A fraction defines the part of a whole. A fraction represents a numerical value. Fraction is nothing but it is a part of a whole. Parts of a fraction. Fraction has a two numbers separated by a one horizontal line. The parts of fractions are numerator and denominator. These numerator and denominator is separated by horizontal line. Above the horizontal line is called numerator. Below the horizontal line is called denominator. In other words, numerator is the part of a whole taken by or number of parts taken, and denominator is the total parts of a whole. How many equal parts are made from the whole thing? Denominator is the lower part of the horizontal line and the numerator is the upper part of the horizontal line. For example, here is a one fraction, that is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 as a read as a 3 by 4 or 4/3 or 3/4. This fraction is written in the form of picture form. Look like this. One circle is divided into 4 equal parts and 3 parts are colored by yellow color. This is written in the form of number form, that is, first you have to draw a line and above a horizontal line you have to write how many parts are colored, that is 3. Below the horizontal line how many parts are made. In this circle 4 equal parts are made, that is written below the horizontal line, that is 4. Now now the now write the name of number 3 above the horizontal line is called numerator. Below the horizontal line, that is 4, read as a denominator. In fraction form, there are two numbers. These two numbers are separated by a horizontal line. Above the horizontal line is called numerator. Below the horizontal line is denominator. According to the numerator and denominator, we have to classify the fraction into 6 types of a fractions. Fractions are classified on the basis of the numerator and denominators. Fractions are classified into the following types. First one is a proper fractions. Second one is improper fraction. Third one is mixed fractions. Fourth one is like fractions. And fifth one is unlike fractions. And sixth one is equivalent fractions. These are the fundamental types of a fraction. Now studying in detail in this video. First we have to know about proper fraction. What is the proper fraction? Proper fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. Proper fraction is less than 1. The value of the proper fraction is less than the 1. Look at this picture. This is the one rectangle whole thing. This rectangle is divided into 4 equal parts and 3 parts are colored. Then this is right in the fractions form. Look like this. That is 3 by 4. Above the horizontal line, 3 is called as a numerator. Below the horizontal line is 4. 3 is compared to the 4. 3 is less than 4. In this case, this fraction is called as a proper fraction. Because of that, fraction is, if we consider the proper fraction, numerator is always less than the denominator. So that this kind of proper fraction is called, this kind of fraction is called proper fraction. Consider this circle. This circle was divided into 8 equal parts and 4 parts are colored. Then this is right in the fraction form. This becomes 4 by 8. 4 is a numerator, 8 is a denominator, 4 is less than denominator. So that these two fractions are called proper fraction. Second one, improper fraction. Improper fraction is nothing but the numerator is more than or equal to the denominator, or numerator is greater than denominator. This kind of fraction is called improper fraction. The value of improper fraction is greater than 1. Improper fraction is a reverse position of proper fraction. Now consider this picture and know the meaning of improper fraction. Here is a two whole things. Each whole thing is divided into 3 equal parts and 4 parts are colored. Then this figure is right in the fraction form. This becomes 4 by 3. 3 indicates each whole thing is divided into 3 equal parts and 4 indicates 4 parts are colored. Then written in the fraction forms, this becomes 4 by 3 and 4 is greater than 3. 4 is numerator greater than numerator. This kind of fraction is called improper fraction. Also consider this circle. Here is a two circles. Each circle are divided into 4 equal parts and 5 parts are colored. Then these are right in the fractions form. This becomes 5 by 4. 5 is greater than 4. So that this kind of fraction is called improper fraction. Improper fraction is nothing but numerator is greater than the denominator, so that this kind of fraction is called improper fraction. Mixed fractions. Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and proper fraction, so that whole number and proper fraction is called combination of whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. In mixed fraction, one whole number along with proper fraction. This is called mixed fraction. Since mixed fractions are combination of whole numbers and mixed fraction always greater than 1. Value of the mixed fraction is also greater than, always greater than 1. Consider this. Look at these figures. Here is a two whole rectangles. These rectangles are divided into 3 equal parts and 4 are colored. Then write in the form of fractions. That becomes 1 is to 1 by 3. Here 1 indicates the whole thing. 1 by 3 is a proper fraction. 1 whole thing into 1 by 3. 3 is a equal parts and 1 is colored. According to this circle, this is also example for the mixed fraction. This can be written as 3 is to 3 by 4. 3 indicates the 3 whole circles and fourth circle colored 3. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ circle are divided into 4 equal parts. These are the example for mixed fractions. And like fraction. What is like fractions? If we have a fractions, these fractions denominators are same, then we called these fractions as a like fractions. Are nothing but fractions with the same denominators are called the like fractions. Example, here is a 3 circles. Every circles are divided into 4 equal parts. First circle is colored 1 part. Second one is colored 2 parts. Third one is colored 3 parts. These are written in the fractions forms. First one is become 1 by 4. Second one become 2 by 4. Third one is 3 by 4. Consider these fractions. In these fractions, denominators are 4, so that every fractions have a same denominator. These fractions are called like fractions. Simply we called fraction with the same denominators are called like fractions. Unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, nothing but fractions have a different denominators. If a, if a fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Look at these pictures and it fractions form. Here is a three fractions of different denominators. So this kind of fractions are called unlike fractions. If fractions have a different denominator, then these are called unlike fractions. Equivalent fractions. Fractions that represent the same value after being simplified are called equivalent fractions. If we have a one fractions, this fractions being simplified, then we called it as a equivalent fraction. By getting equivalent fractions, we can multiply or divide both the numerator and denominators of the given fraction by the same number. Then we get equivalent fractions. Look at these figures and then write it in the fractions form. First one becomes 1 by 2. Second one becomes 2 by 4. Third one is 3 by 6. After simplifying these fractions, we get a same value. When we get same value, then it is called equivalent fractions. Now know the interesting facts about fraction. The word fraction is came from